Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to talking about like how you can cancel your TD bank life insurance, or you can say TD life insurance. And if you have any kind of home insurance, or if you have any kind of like you can say auto insurance, then how you can cancel. The only method to cancel your any kind of policy, that is via calling method. You need to contact with the customer support team. The numbers you can see on your screen, the number that is you need to call, that is this one. As you can see on your screen, you need to dial this number, and once you get connected, you need to tell them that you wish to cancel your policy. You need to provide some information related to your policy, and they will ask you some questions related to your policy and can reason of your cancellation and all. Once they confirm each and every information, they will guide you each and every steps by which you can cancel your policy very easily. Okay, so this is the only method by which you can cancel your TD policies. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.